So the product that I use the most to whiten my teeth is the Fairywill teeth whitening light with the whitening strips. So the strips come in a pack like this, and they come with 2 strips, one for the top and bottom in each one of the packs. And then it also comes with this light, just like this. And the reason I love this so much, guys, is that it doesn't have batteries. It actually has a charger, so you can just hook the charger up and then plug it into any like USB ports. You can plug it into your laptop, or you can plug it into like an Apple charger. It also comes with this little like plastic case, which I really like because I keep mine in the bathroom, and I feel like sometimes like when you're showering and stuff, like everything gets kind of wet, so it's really nice to like keep everything together. And you can keep like a few of your whitening strips in here, so I have some in here, and they just come in a little pack like this. And if you see on the back, they have an upper and a lower one, so the upper one is a little longer, and then there's the lower one, and it's really nice. It has like a little slit in the middle, so you know where to like place it on your teeth and then kind of put it around. I like to not put it on my gums, so I feel like you have places like where your teeth go up a little higher, then I kind of like adjust it so that it's not on my gums. It doesn't like burn my gums, but I don't know, that's just what I do. So after I put the light in my mouth, I leave it in there for 20 minutes, and then you can just take it off, take the strips off, and just put them in the trash. I use this, at first when I was using it almost every day, but now I use it like every 3 days. Super easy. I usually try to do it at night after I brush my teeth, but it literally doesn't take very long. You can do it while you're on your phone. But yeah, literally it's so easy, and everybody always asks me, and I'm like, literally this. Like, once I started using this, like, guys, I saw like immediate results. If you're looking to get like I'm just kind of maintaining the white now, so I don't do it like every single day, but like when I had an event, so like say my birthday, when I had my birthday, I would literally do this like every day leading up to it, and my teeth, like, they were so white. I just, like, this is it. If you're gonna buy anything off the internet, this is it. So that is how I get my teeth so white. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please put those down below. I'm also gonna put the link for this down below.